conversion of units S4 capacity storage problems in block 18. Children, as you know, units of length and units of weight same like units of capacity. Here we write kilometer, hectoliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centimeter, milliliter. So same method you have to follow. When you converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply every step. When you converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Children, here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 3/4 liters is equal to 750 milliliters. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. 1/4 liters is equal to 250 milliliter. Milliliter we write in short form ml. Okay. Liters, for liters we write in short form LT. Write date 2/2/2021. S3 conversion of units. Children, better you copy the units of capacity here top. First question, I had 1.5 liters of mango juice. How many milliliters is this? 1.5 liters of mango juice. How many milliliters is this? Children, here he is having how many? 1.5 liters. That you have to convert in milliliters. So 1.5. As you know, children, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 3/4 liters is equal to 750 milliliters. Half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. 1/4 liters is equal to 250 milliliters. Here is having 1.5 liters. So of mango juice. How many milliliters is this? This you have to convert in 1.5 liters. You have to convert in milliliters. Here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So half liter is equal to how many liters? Milliliters, 500 milliliters. So answer is 1500 milliliter. Sorry, 1500 milliliters. Okay, now second question. A milkman adds 2500 milliliter water to a can of milk. How many liters does he add? A milkman adds 2500 milliliters water to a can of milk. How many liters does he add? Children, milkman adding how many milliliters of water? 2500. In 2500, how many liters, how many milliliters are there? 2500 milliliters means 2 liters 500 milliliters. So that you have to write in. How will write in the answer? 500 milliliters, 2002 and half 500 milliliters means half liter. So you will write in 2.5 milliliters. 2.5 milliliters. So this you do it as homework. Now third question, convert into milliliters. A bit 10 liters. 10 liters you have to convert in milliliters. So liters to milliliter. See, liters to milliliter. So you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit. Bigger unit to smaller unit. What you have to do? You have to multiply. So 10 into 10 liters into how much you have to multiply? 10 times are 100, 100 times are 1000. So 1000 milliliters is equal to how much? What is the answer? 10,000 milliliter is the answer. B bit, you do it as homework. Fourth bit, round off. As you know children how to round it off the numbers. When you rounding off the tens place number, you will check ones place. When you rounding off the hundreds place, you will check, we have to check tens place. When you are rounding off the number in thousands place, you have to check hundreds place. If you are having above 5, you will make it to, you will convert into next, you will take the next number. So 6000 A bit 6756 milliliter to the nearest liters. See in liters place 6 liters 756 milliliters. Here 6 liters 756 milliliters is there. This liters you have to convert in round of the number. Here 6 liters is there, so you are rounding up to the 6 liters. You have to check hundreds place. Here 7 is there, so 7 is above 5. So this will be, answer is what, it will be rounded off to 7 liters. Okay. Now this B bit, you do it as homework. I hope you understood S3, completed S3 children. Now I will explain S4. Now S4, capacity storing problems. For example, a shopkeeper sells 167 liters packs of milk and 240 half-liter packs of milk per day. How much milk he will sell in 1 day, 1 month? If 9.5 liters milk gets wasted every day, then how much milk he sells per week? Now children, we will find the shopkeeper sells 167 1 liter packs of milk and 240 half-liter packs of milk per day. How much milk he will sell in 1 month? First we find this solution. Number of 1 liter packets. Sorry. Here number of 1 liter packets. How many are there? 167. So number of half liter packets. How many? 240 liters. 240 liters. So first what you have to do, this it is given in 1 liter packet. This is 240 half liter packets of 240. So first in 240 half liter packets we convert in 1 liter. So you have to divide by 2. When you are converting 240 liters, you are converting in 1 liter. No? So you have to divide by 2. So 240 divided by 2, after dividing, how much we got? 120. So now here we 240 half liter packets we converted in liters packet. That is, after converting, how many we got? 120 1 liter packets. How we got 240 half liter packets we converted in liters packet. That is, after converting we got 120 liters. Now total packets is equal to how much? Total packets is equal to 167 plus 120. So 7, 8. Now total 287 packets is there. So 287 packets is they will sell. So he will sell in 1 month. In 1 month, how many packets he will sell, children? How many packets? Per day 287 packets. So in 1 month, how many packets he will sell? What you have to do? You have to, so children, liters of packets sell in 1 month is equal to how many? You have to multiply 287 into 30. So 0 into 7, 0, 0 into 8, 0, 0 into 2, 0. So 3 sevens are 21. 1 here, 2 carry, are 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 6 is 6, 8. So in 1 month, how many packets you sell, children? You sell 8,610 1 liters of packets you sell in 1 month. Children, now if 9.5 liters milk gets wasted every day, then how much milk he sells per week? See, total packets. Total packets, how many are there? 287. 287. In 287, if we waste 9.5 liters of milk every day. So in this, in 287, you have to subtract 9.5. You know, children, how to arrange the decimal numbers. So now you have to subtract 95.5 liters. Take carry. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. Here 2. So 277.5 liters he is selling per day. So 277.5 liters is how much milk he sells per week. Per week he will sell liters of milk. He sells in a week is equal to, in 1 week how many days, children? 1 week 7 days. So you have to multiply 277.5 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 7s are 49. 50, 51, 52. 5 carry. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 5, 54. So 5 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So 19,425 liters sell in a week. Sorry children, here after 1 digit point is there, so write it point here. So 1942.5 liters of milk is sending per week. I hope you understood this example sum. Now open your workbook. We'll do workbook sums. S4 capacity story problems. Write date. First question. A car consumed 39.9 liters of petrol per week. How much petrol will consume in a month? Children, here car is consumed 39.9 liters of petrol per week. Per week, this much petrol is consumed. After you have to find what you have to find per month. How much petrol is consuming per month you have to find. So first you have to find per day how many liters of petrol he is consuming. So what you will do, 39.9 divided by 7 if you do, you will get the per day petrol, how much petrol is consuming. Then per day you will find the answer. No, with that answer you have to multiply with the 30, then you will get the answer. Now petrol consumed for a week is equal to 39.9 liters. Petrol consumed in a day, per day you have to find, children. So what you have to do, you have to divide by 7. So 39.9 divided by 7. So 7 5s are 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0. Bring down 9. 7 7s are 49. 0. So after 1 digit point. So per day how much petrol is consuming? So it's 5.7 liters. Now we know per day. Now you have to find for 1 month. Petrol consumed in 30 days is equal to 5.7 into 30. So 5.7 into 30, 7 into 0, 0, 0 into 5 is 0, 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 fives are 15, 16, 17, 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 7, 1. So after one digit, write the point. So 171.0 liters per month. For 30 days, how much it is consuming? 171.0 liters. Right, therefore 171.0 liters of petrol is consumed in 30 days. Now second question, a baby drinks 125 milliliters of milk at one time. He drinks milk 5 times in a day. How much milk will he drink in a week? So children, a baby drinks 125 milliliters of milk in one time. He drinks milk 5 times. So first you have to multiply 125 into 5, because one day per time he is drinking 125 milliliters. For full day, how many times he is drinking? 5 times. So 125 into 5 you multiply, then your total milk, how many milliliters of milk is drinking, you get the answer. Then you have to multiply with that answer, how much milk will drinks in a week. You have to multiply with 7. Why you will multiply with 7, children? Because 1 week 7 days. So you multiply with the 7. Then you will get the answer. This sum you do it as homework. A shopkeeper sells 118 glasses of juice in a day. The capacity of glasses is 450 milliliter approximately. How much juice does he sells in a month? Okay children, number of glasses how many are there? 118. Capacity of glass is 400 milliliters. So you have to multiply first 118 into 450. Number of glasses of juice shopkeeper sells in a day, how many? 118. Capacity of glass is 450 milliliters. So juice sold in a day is equal to how many? 118 into 450. 118 into 450. So 0 into 8, 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry, 5 ones are 5, plus 4 is 9, 5 ones are 5, into 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 ones are 4, plus 3 is 7, 4 ones are 4, 0 0, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 1 carry, 5. So how many? 5 3 1 0 is the answer. So milliliters of bottles juices will sell in a day. So juice is sells in 30 days. In 30 days, how many juices will sell, children? Now you have to this you have to multiply with 30. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 5, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. 0, 0, plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 9 is 9, 5, 1. So 1593 milliliters of juice bottles will sell in month. If he sells a glass of juice for rupees 115, then how much will he earn in a month? Children, he is selling per day how many? 118 glasses. So number of glasses of juice he sells in a month. So 118 into 30. So you are finding for month, no? So you have to multiply with 30. 0 into 8. 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 1 is 0. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 3 1s are 3. 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, 3. So, what is the answer? 3540 glasses will sell in 1 month. Okay. Suppose if the cost of 1 glass of juice is rupees 15, cost of 30 glasses is how much? Children, so you have to multiply 3540 into 15. So here I am multiplying, children. 3540 into 15. 5 into 0, 0. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Into 5 into 0, 0, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the answer? 53,100. See, cost of 30 glasses of juice is how much? 53,100. So, shopkeeper earns how much? 53,000 rupees, 53,100 in a month. Okay children, I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.